Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to pair a Spectrum remote to cable box, pairing steps, codes, and fix not working. First, pair a Spectrum remote to Spectrum box. Turn on your TV and Spectrum cable box, then press menu and OK button together until the input light blinks twice. Enter the code of your TV manufacturer. The input button blinks twice to confirm when the pairing is successful. Second, on-screen TV menu recommended. Press the menu button on your remote, choose settings and support from the left-hand menu on your TV screen, then select support from the options on the left and click on the remote control tile in the center of the screen, then select RF pair new remote and follow the guided on-screen instructions. Third, manual button shortcut. If you have an older Cisco cable box or cannot navigate the menu, point the remote directly at the cable box. Simultaneously press and hold the menu at three buttons. Hold until the input/power button blinks twice to confirm the link. Pairing Universal CLI KR5 remote UR5U series. Quick setup method. Turn on the TV or device you want to program, then press and hold the corresponding device button, example TV, until the LED light stays lit. While holding that button, press the single digit number for your TV brand. 1 for Sony, 2 for Samsung, 3 for LG, 4 for Toshiba, 8 for Sharp, 9 for Vizio. Then release both buttons when the device turns off. Legacy remotes 1060BC2 slash 1060BC3 slash UR3. Turn on your TV, press the TV button once, then hold setup or OK slash select plus TV until the mode key blinks twice. Now enter a 5-digit code for your brand and press power to verify if the TV shuts off. Popular brand programming codes. Samsung 258 050 363 143 228 515. Sony 001 702 10810 1100 11904. LG 11423 10178 11756. Vizio 11758 10178 11756. GLC Roku 11756 11463. Dynix code 11463 if standard fails. You can find the code list by visiting Spectrum remote code page. Fix remote not working or pairing fail. Hard reset the cable box. Unplug the power cable from the back of the Spectrum box. Wait for 60 full seconds, then plug it back in and let it fully reboot before trying again. Factory reset the remote. For guide remotes SR002, hold menu and the down arrow until the light blinks twice, then press 987. For clicker 5 legacy, hold menu and OK until the light blinks twice, then enter 984. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.